5 best USB to USB adapters in 2019. We are going to check out top 5 best USB to USB adapters in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this USB to USB adapters, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
Nonda USB Type-C to USB 3.0 adapter. Thunderbolt 3 to USB adapter, aluminum with indicated LED for MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Pixel 3, Dell XPS, and more Type-C devices. Space gray, USB 3.0 super speed, up to 5 Gbps data transfer speed. Match MacBook, unibody aluminum casing. 3 colors to match Apple MacBook. Durable aluminum body, high quality components ensures longer lifespan. Tip 1, need to push the adapter to the end till you hear a click. Tip 2, works with the original Apple cable. Okay.
Top 4.
Syntech USB-C to USB adapter, 2-pack. Thunderbolt 3 to USB 3.0 adapter, compatible MacBook Pro 2018-2017, MacBook Air 2018, Pixel 3, Dell XPS, and more Type-C devices. Supreme design is all the heart of Syntech. We managed to bring exquisiteness, stylishness and functionality together to this compact USB-C adapter. The adapter is gathered with zinc alloy metallic minimalist and delicate non-slip embossment. Moreover, space gray color and no logo pattern are the best for no distracting your attention from workflow. Compatible with all, this USB-C to USB adapter is compatible with any laptop/tablet/smartphone with a USB Type-C port except iPad Pro. The USB-C to USB adapter lets you connect standard USB accessories, cables to a USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 device such as MacBook Pro 2018-2017, MacBook Air 2018. The adapter also supports smartphones, OTG tech.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
Syntech USB-C to USB adapter, 2-pack. USB-C to USB 3.0 adapter, USB Type-C to USB. Thunderbolt 3 to USB female adapter, OTG cable, compatible with MacBook Pro 2018-2017, MacBook Air 2018 and more. Genuinely fits side-by-side, designed to fit side-by-side on MacBook Pro 2017-2016 or laptops with 2 side-by-side USB-C ports. 2 of our adapters or your USB-A devices will not collide each other, which could possibly happen on many adapters with no cable. Universal compatibility. This is a flexible and durable USB-C to USB adapter. The USB to USB connects your USB Type-C laptops. Thunderbolt 3 to USB compatible, such as new MacBook Air 2018, MacBook Pro 2016/2017/2018, 15-inch and 13-inch, MacBook 12-inch 2015/2016/2017, Surface Go, Lenovo MX 630, Swift 7, Dell XPS 13-15/2018, Samsung Galaxy Book S8/S9/S9 Plus, Tab S3, Pixel Slate, LG V30s, OnePlus 5/5T, Moto E4, Sony A/X-Z2, Zenfone, Huawei Mate 9/Mate 10/MacBook X Pro and other USB Type-C devices.
Top 2.
USB-C to HDMI adapter, 4K at 60 Hz, Uni USB Type-C to HDMI adapter. Thunderbolt 3 compatible, For MacBook Pro 2018-2017, MacBook Air, iPad Pro 2018, Samsung Galaxy S10/S9, Surface Book 2 and more. Great, streaming from everywhere. Stream sports events, watch movies, gaming, and show photos, albums directly from your devices. Samsung Galaxy S8/S9/S8 Plus/S9 Plus, Note 8, and never miss the game-winning touchdown or your favorite TV episodes. No more worry on bad Wi-Fi casting issues. Comes with a complimentary small pouch, perfect for traveling and presentations. Note, designed for computers mainly. Do not have any charging port on the adapter. Plug and play, no additional driver. Software required. Perfect solution for your USB-C MacBook Pro, MacBook, iMac, Surface Book 2, Pixelbook, HP Envy 13, Galaxy Book, and Chromebook. Drive 1 or 2 HDMI monitors, displays, up to 4K at 60Hz resolution. Compatible with HDMI-enabled TV'/monitors/projectors for both video and audio transfer. Note, if you use a cable below HDMI 2.0 version, it may cause the flicking. So we strongly recommend you connect with HDMI 2.0 cable.
Top 1.
Huawei 2019 new USB-C to HDMI, low-high 3" -1 digital multi-port adapter, USB-C quick charging plus HDMI supports 4K 30HZ plus USB 3.1 port HDMI converter. MacBook, Chromebook, Pixel, USB-C devices, HDMI adapters, Huawei easy operation, plug and play, no need extra drivers or personal hotspots. 3.0 USB port with hub function, can connect with U-disk, hard disk, mouse, keyboard, mobile phone etc. Make you enjoy the large screen anytime anywhere. Huawei Type-C 3.1 port, 4K 30HZ, the USB 3.1 interface transmits data rates up to 10 Gbps. USB 3.0 port transfers data rates up to 5 Gbps. In addition, HDMI supports 18 Gbps, 4K 30HZ display screen. All of this make you get an extremely smooth video and high-definition images experience. Huawei aluminum alloy shell and certifications, the US imported chips make the connection between the adapter and the computer be more stable. The high-quality aluminum alloy shell makes the product with the faster heat dissipating, be more scratch-resistant and more durable. Quality certifications such as FCC, RoHS and RoHS test reports are guaranteed to provide you with 100% safe products.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.